Let me help you what all the settings mean on your Black+Decker cordless drill. Now, as you can see, I've had this many years and it's still going strong. So we have 3 different sections here at the front. You have the chuck section here, you have the chuck tightening section, and then you have the mode selector here. So the chuck here is what holds your drill bits. I'm surmising you know how to take a drill bit out, hold the chuck, and then twist towards you on the tightening mechanism, and that should loosen the chuck to change the drill bit. You do the opposite way to tighten your drill bit back in. So this is what these 2 sections are. Now let's look at the mode selector. You twist it like that to select the mode. So let's first twist into this section here, what most people will use. This is the drill mode. As you can see here, drill, indicated with a drill symbol. Now this gives you the full power of the drill, and you'll just be able to drill into anything that the Black+Decker can handle. It'll give you the full power of your drill. You can twist it, and this is hammer mode, indicated with the picture of the hammer. Now what happens here is you get some little bumping like that into the end of the drill, and it allows you to drill through masonry and concrete and things like that. You should only ever use this, so you should only ever use this hammer mode when you are drilling into brick or masonry. Otherwise, if you're drilling into plasterboard or something like that, it would damage it. So I always leave it on drill mode. Then if you come past drill mode, you see this section here, these numbers. This kicks in the clutch on your Black+Decker cordless drill. Now what is the clutch? So let's come here into number 1, and say I was drilling into something and the pressure on the drill bit here, I'll use my hand on this section, the clutch will kick in because there's too much pressure on the drill bit and stop drilling. You see in the end there, drill, pressure, and then stop. And the higher the number, the more pressure that needs to be on the drill bit. I'll use my hand again. So drill, pressure, and then it'll stop drilling. And it goes all the way up to 10. So you'd need a lot more pressure on the drill bit to kick in the clutch. This is ideal for when you're drilling into soft wood or furniture, things like that, and you don't want to go too deep into the wood. But most people will need just a simple drill mode. Now you may be wondering what the numbers are at the back here. So we have speed 1 and speed 2. Speed 1 actually turns the drill slower but gives you more torque. Ideal for when you want to put screws in or something like that, where you want a lot of torque to drive the screw, but you don't want it to be spinning too quick, so you bounce out the head of the screw. Now speed 2 gives you less torque, but the drill spins quicker. So this is ideal if you want to pilot drill hole or anything like that. You get more speed but less torque. Now we have this button here. This is the forward and reverse button. So pushed out towards like this, as you can see, it's reverse, pushed in, and it's forward. The trigger is a variable speed, so if we press it lightly, you can see it's going slow. Now we press it all the way down, it picks up speed. So hopefully that helps you out what all the numbers and the buttons do on the Black+Decker cordless drill. If you found this video helpful, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.